This is Corey Lottery Man introduction, okay, of making money ideas, okay, and down below, if you wanted to see my emojis, is down below the bottom, so you can see my emojis. And yeah, a lot of emojis do have my pictures on there and stuff like that. So yeah, just level one is to making money ideas, and you get loyalty badges and custom emojis and stuff like that. Okay, get accessory to those Corey badges, like I say. You know what I'm saying? So here, also, you go on to you also go on to second level, making money deals. Okay, money deals. You get shout outs in the video and live streams. You get a personal, shout outs from others at the end of our videos and weekly live streams and stuff like that. Okay, and then you got making you also got money making entourage. That's in level 3. Okay, if you remember, I said that. Answer all your questions. Got a question to us, we'll answer all your questions about the topics we cover on our channel on the community tab. So y'all, let's go to the community tab and do all that. Okay, and then, like I said, I normally like to focusly go over the whole thing with you, with the loyalty badges next to your name from comments and live chats, custom emoji to us in your comment or live chats, something like that, and prior replies to comments, loyalty badges or Corey badges, and all Corey emojis and stuff like that. And you get early access to new videos and members, shout outs and photos, and shout outs, update and exclusive members only videos. That's all you want to be getting here. And shout outs, videos on live stream. So remember, come to Corey Lottery Man, and get your money going on. And that's what this is gonna be about, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, anything to me is not all this, paying for all this and stuff like that. It's not very important to me. Thank you for coming to Corey Lottery Man. Keep on coming.